to how to use a computer. This is for Windows 7. The first time you start up your computer, you're going to see this screen. This is the desktop. On your desktop, you have different icons, like the recycle bin, and I have the only default icon, network connections. But you can have icons like my computer, your documents, and so on. Let's put them over here. You can rearrange icons by clicking on them and dragging them around. And to create new icons, or icons are actually things called files. This is a folder file, which is called network connections, which you can see here on the tooltip. It says connects to other computers, networks, and the internet. So this is if we open this up, you can see I have two networks in that folder. That is network connections. This is the recycle bin, and you can, if I have an icon in here, for example, I have an old program that I have that I don't use anymore. It's called BumpTop. It's a 3D desktop. If I want to remove this from the recycle bin, I right click and delete, and then this message pops up. If I want to restore it to the location it was, that was on a desktop, I click restore this item and continue, and then it's going to restore the item to the desktop. Now you see the item is returned to the desktop. To delete the item, simply right click and click delete and click yes. Now you see the program is in the recycle bin once again. To empty the recycle bin, that will say deleting all the items that are in the recycle bin, click empty the recycle bin. You can also just right click on the recycle bin on your desktop and empty the recycle bin and click yes. Then you see the recycle bin icon has changed to an empty recycle bin. To create a file on your desktop, just right click and click new, and the new file menu pops up. To create a folder, click folder. Now we name the folder. We can name our folder folder. Now the folder's name is folder, and it's on our desktop, and we can open it. Now we're inside the folder. Inside the folder, you can also add new files. For example, we can add a text document. We can name this text. If we double click on the text document, it is opened in Notepad, which is the default text editor for Windows 7 and all other versions of Windows. To type anything into it, just simply use your keyboard and type something. To save it, click File, then click Save. To make a new document in Notepad, click File, New. This clears all the text. To open, click File, Open. And this Open dialog box pops up. Select your locations, like desktop, folder, and the text text file, text. Now we see that the text is opened, that the text file is opened, and our text that we saved into the file is now displayed on the screen. To close a program, click the Close button. To maximize a program, click the Maximize button. And to minimize the program onto the taskbar, click the Minimize button. Now the program is still running, but it is minimized. You can find the program down here in its icon. Then, in Windows 7, it displays all of the open programs in this little menu. To view it, simply hover your mouse over it, like this. And to open it, click it. Now the program is opened once again. Let's close the program. Let's delete this folder with everything that is in it. Right-click and select Delete. Click Yes, and now we see that the recycle bin has changed to something in it. If we open it up, we can restore it to normal size, and we can delete the folder in it. Enter the recycle bin. Click Yes, and the recycle bin is emptied, thus deleting our folder and everything that was in it. This has been a basic demonstration of Windows 7 and the desktop.